Why does your brain wake up at night? Why do your best ideas show up when everyone else is shutting down? It seems like everyone else is sleeping when your neural network hits its peak frequency. Still, you try morning routines and forcing consistency. But mornings drain you, nights don't, which usually means your internal clock is shifted later. Your alertness, focus, and dopamine availability peak at a different time than the world expects. So, when you force mornings, you're working before your brain is online. Forcing a standard routine doesn't build momentum. It just burns your cognitive battery to zero. When your system peaks at night, focus feels effortless. You weren't undisciplined or lazy, you were just mistimed. Optimal timing with your unique spikes in dopamine, stress, and caffeine. Your best work window isn't a guess, it's a science. Take the Brain Blueprint quiz to learn your unique pattern and how to own your day.